easy way to glitter the inside of bottles. It's not very messy, it's really inexpensive, and it really does make makes a big impact for just a little bit of money, especially if you drink beer or wine. And so I commissioned my husband to drink a little bit of extra beer, and he really didn't have a problem with it at all. I asked him to drink Modelo and Corona because my theme is more of like a fiesta theme, but if you were doing a wedding or something a little bit more upscale and classy, I would recommend either wine bottles or just clear plain bottles, or you can even do this with candle holders. You can, I mean, it's really, I haven't tested it with flame, so you may just want to use the flameless candles, but just to avoid a fire or something like that. But anyway, so let me get started with these supplies that you're going to need to start. So like I said, any type of clear glass works perfect. Make sure that it's been cleaned with a little bit of dish soap and dried thoroughly. And then you're going to want to use, there's no specific brand that you need to use. So really any type of floor cleaner, just make sure it has like some type of wax or sealant in it. You can find this at any big box store. You can also find it at, I found it at a drugstore really. It wasn't very expensive. I think it was like $6 for this whole bottle. And then use whatever color glitter you want. And I found this at a big box store. And I wanted to go with gold because a lot of the accents on the centerpieces that I'm going to use have gold as well. So to start, what you want to do is take your clean bottle and you're just going to pour there's no science. So whatever amount you think is enough, go a little bit more. And you're going to just swirl it around. And we're just going to pour the excess in the cup. And when I was doing this, I did a bunch of them at one time, and I just did it over my kitchen sink. It made the cleanup really easy, no mess, really. It's all contained into my kitchen sink. So you just want to make sure that you get everything swirled around and covered. Bubbles don't matter, it's not going to hurt anything. So just pour all the excess down the drain or in your cup or whatever you're doing this. And that's all for that. Now you're going to take your glitter, and this is why I recommend doing it over a kitchen sink or something like that, because it can get kind of messy a little bit, but I'm going to try to contain the mess in a paper plate, so we'll see how that goes. This has a little hole in the side, I don't know if you can see that, but it makes it really easy. If you don't have this type of thing, use a funnel. It'll be, you know, super clean, super easy. I don't know if I can make it in there. Got a little clog. Okay. And then you're just going to pour a good amount. I think I got about a quarter inch down there. And you're really just going to shake it around in there, get it good. And if you think you're going to need more than one of these for your event or whatever you're doing decorations, do them all at once, because you can take the excess glitter that's in here and pour it into your next thing. And clumps don't really matter because when you shake it up, it all adheres. So I'm going to pour out all the extra. You see there's a pretty good amount of extra in there. So you could have reused that for your next project. And I just made sure that everything is fully covered. There's no bare spots. You don't want to see bare spots because it kind of makes it look homemade. I mean, I don't. Some look. So let me see if I can get a good shot of this. But it turned out really cute. It literally took 10 seconds to do. So just to recap, you fill it with this, you swirl it around, pour out the excess. Then you just literally pour the glitter in as much as you think you're going to need, do a little bit more. Extra is not going to hurt anything. And then you swirl it around, shake it good, get good coverage. And then you just really just want to let it dry. You could use it immediately, so you could do this the same day as your event, or you could do it ahead of time. Fill them with flowers, fill them with whatever you want. It really just turns into a cute centerpiece, and it's really easy, like I said. All right, thanks for watching.